Riri mucere kuma nja wa bururi uraingira guku bururi-ini atongoria kuma Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni mokiriire itua riri ria thirikari makiuga murimi wa Mwea ni atiganeirio. Akiaria itura-ini ria Giciru uria wari munini wa gavana Peter Ndambiri augite ni undu wa kieha kuona mucere ukirehwo kuma nja wa bururi riri mucere wa Mwea ukomete thito.
But the rice mills of Mwea belong to the people of Mwea, and we have 45 shareholding in that capacity. The government has 55%. It is not a parastatal. Mwea rice mills is not a parastatal that the government can do what it wants with it. It is a limited liability company. Parastatals like Kenya Pipeline, KICC, and the others, let them do what they want. But Mwea rice mill is not part of it.
Ndambiri orotete minista wa urimi Mutahi Kagwe akiuga ni akoretwo akiriire mathina ma arimi a Mwea kuona mucere uria urauma nja wa bururi uratiga arimi a guku bururi-ini matari na thoko.
Nilisikia wengine wanasema ati wamekataza mchere ndio wanalinda watu wa Mwea. Nonsense. Anasema analinda watu wa Mwea na mchere inaingilia wapi? Mheshimiwa Nderitu, watu walikuwa na import, au watu wa government walikuwa wanataka kuimport 500,000 metric tons, not 50. Watu wakaenda kotini, koti ikarelease na ikasema nusu iletwe. Bandera walete mchere ya Pakistan, wanalete Bishori. Ile tunalima Mwea. Aya ndo itokile kutoananga. And I wonder the Minister of Agriculture Mutahi Kagwe, who was in Uhuru's government. Saa hii hata tulikuwa na yeye hapa Githore siku nyingine kabla hawa waziri. Tunakula tunacheka na yeye. Na sasa akiwa waziri ameanza kusahau watu wa Kirinyaga, watu wa Mwea. Waziri Kagwe, you need to advise the president that we don't need imported rice in Mwea. Buy our rice first, then import later.
Hari ngucanio iria ikoretwo kuo mwena wa South Gariama, Ndambiri augite thayu ni ucokereire ona thengia wa ateti aria marenda kurehe wagagu, na riu kiria aikari metereire ni kwamukira taito cia migunda yao, guku agitugiria wira uria urarutwo ni maabitha a migunda.
Thirikari irathire ira oda mucere, ira import mucere, maka import mucere tani 50,000 na maka import mucere ucio tani 50,000 kuma na nja. Mucere wa Mwea riu turi hau turi na tani 25,000 cie thito. Mwega mucere ucio kiuma nja uroka kuhura mucere wa Mwea, na nikio umuthu mucere wa padi urauma ciringi 65 handu ha 85, tondu mucere ucio wanja uroka kuguithia bei ya mucere wa murimi wa Mwea.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.